Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be talking about Pantene Nutrient Blends Illuminating Color Care with Biotin Sulfate-free Shampoo and Conditioner along with the Intensive Rescue Shots. I'm going to be showing you how to use these products, why I love them, and then also share a before and after shot to show you how this product works. So let's get started. If you have dry damage or color treated hair like me, you are going to love this product combination because it helps to revive your locks and also protect color while you're washing. First, I'm going to shampoo my hair. This is a sulfate-free formula that gives you nourishing protection that keeps color vibrant. Next is conditioner, also sulfate-free, and it's going to lock in smoothness and shine. And finally, we're going to use the Intense Rescue Shots. You're gonna apply this conditioning treatment from mid-shaft to your ends and rinse thoroughly. Now for my first impressions about these products would have to be wow. The packaging is stunning. It reminds me of high-end salon products obviously without busting your budget. Pantene never lets me down when it comes to crisp, beautiful, fresh fragrances. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell these. And honestly, I have to color my hair often because of the gray hair. That leaves my hair dry and damaged. So I love after just one application of these three products, my hair was left soft and shiny, light, and healthy looking. And that was my quick tutorial and review of the Pantene Nutrient Blends Illuminating Color Care with Biotin Sulfate-free Shampoo and Conditioner plus Intense Rescue Shots. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!